Installation Method 1. Concrete wall. Step 1. Position and level the wall. Use 10 mm diameter drill bit to drill holes to a depth of 64 mm. Step 4. Put anchors into drilled holes and tap each anchor flush with the wall. Method 2. Wood stud. Step 1. Position and level. Use 4 mm diameter drill bit to drill holes to a depth of 64 mm. Screws by your hand's strength to accommodate your needs to make sure you have chosen the appropriate.
This is the Sanus Advanced Tilt TV wall mount, which fits TVs 46 to 90 inches and holds up to 150 pounds. This mount is unique compared to all other tilting mounts because it extends 5.7 inches away from the wall to allow maximum tilt with even the biggest TVs. This extension also allows easy access to the back of the TV to quickly hook up cables. You can adjust the TV tilt with the touch of a fingertip, no tools required. After installation, you can easily adjust your TV for perfect positioning. An audible click confirms your TV is safely attached to the wall. Hide an electrical outlet or box behind your mounted TV. Thinking of cutting the cord? Check out our media streaming panel to hide your streaming device or other small accessories behind your TV. The advanced tilt mount is perfect when installing your TV up high or above a fireplace. It reduces glare from lights and windows, offers easier access to the back of your TV, protects children and pets from TV tipovers, and adds space and style to your room. Enjoy the easy 3-step install. Simply attach brackets to your TV, attach wall plate to your wall, and hang your TV on wall plate. Sanus is the #1 brand of TV wall mounts. All Sanus premium mounts are safety tested and UL certified and feature a 10-year warranty. And we back it up with our US-based expert customer care team, available 7 days a week. Questions? Give us a call. Let's install the Sanus Advanced Tilt Mount in 3 easy steps. So first things first, you only want to do this once, right? Ensure you have everything you need and be sure to follow the manual. If you have any questions, call or chat with our US-based install experts. They're ready to help 7 days a week. So to get started with the first step, choose bolts that fit your TV from the Step 1 hardware bag. Line up the TV brackets with the holes on the back of your TV and tighten. You want to be comfortable while watching TV, so plan for the middle of your TV to be about eye level when you're sitting on the couch, around 42 inches above the floor. Get it right the first time. The Sanus Height Finder takes the guesswork out of drilling. Tell us how high you want your TV, and we'll tell you exactly where to drill. Let's get started with step 2. Use a stud finder to locate and mark 2 studs. Place the Sanus template over your markings at the desired height, level it, and drill 4 holes. Using the lag bolts from the Step 2 hardware bag, secure your wall plate to the wall. Now for the easiest part, step 3. Let's hang the TV. For larger TVs, you might want to ask a buddy to help. Gently press the bottom of the TV toward the wall until you hear a click, securing the TV in place. With the Sanus Advanced Tilt Mount, you can extend your TV from the wall to easily connect your cables. No need to remove your TV or connect the cables before you hang it. Easily extend and tilt your TV down to get the best picture and eliminate any unwanted glare from your view. Need to adjust your TV height or level after you're done? No problem. You can easily fine-tune TV placement with the included Allen key. You can also slide your TV left or right to center it for the perfect look. To remove your TV, pull down on the release tabs and lift the TV up and away from the wall. So there you have it. The Advanced Tilt Sanus Premium Mount, holding your TV securely on the wall and offering a better picture, all in just minutes. Sanus, the #1 brand in TV mounts.
Hi, I'm Ryan from Mount It. Today, in 2 easy steps, I'm going to show you how to find a compatible mount for your TV. Let's get started. Now, the most important thing you need to know is your VESA. VESA isn't some intergalactic space organization. VESA is a simple, standard measurement for mounting televisions and monitors. Now it's time to find your VESA. Your TV has 4 mounting holes. You need to measure the width and the height between the holes. Make sure you measure in millimeters because VESA uses the metric system. If you have your TV's instruction manual, the VESA will most likely be listed there. But don't worry if you can't find it. I'm about to show you how to measure your VESA on your own. First, locate the holes. Then measure the width, which is 200 millimeters in this case. Then measure the height, which is also 200 millimeters for this TV. Now we have our VESA. Mine is 200 by 200 millimeters. Yours will most likely be different, and the height is not always the same as the width. But don't worry, Mount It has you covered. Each of our mounts hold a wide range of VESA measurements. You can find this range in the product description on Amazon. The mount I have here has a range from 100 by 100 millimeters all the way to 700 by 450 millimeters. But how can it hold so many different sizes? Simply put, our mounts have a unique adjustable design. As you can see, these brackets cover a range of VESA heights. The mount allows for the brackets to fit a wide range of VESA widths. Now you know how to find your TV's VESA measurements. Not exactly rocket science, is it?